Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you how to draw this. Really pretty easy, just a couple of things you need to think about. We need to work in the center of the page, so I'm going to take a six-sided polygon, and I'm going to hold down the control button so it's perfect, and then I'm going to hit P. Now I'm going to change it to a three-sided polygon, which is a triangle, and that triangle is in the center of the page. If you would have drawn a triangle, it would not have been in the center of the page. I'm going to take a 2-point line and I'm going to expand it out to about there. And because I'm working in the center of the page, I can Control D, Alternate C, and rotate it 240 degrees all the way over there. Now I'm going to take this triangle, I'm going to hit the plus key instead of the duplicate key. So when I Control D, see, that's what happens when you go Control D. So I'm just going to plus key. I'm going to get the two-sided arrow. And I'm going to do that right there, and I'm going to take that line away. Now I'm going to take a 2-point line, and I'm going to go from right there. I'm actually going to go past both these lines because I'm going to make sure I'm all the way there. So I'm going to trim these lines. And now all we have to do, I'm going to use a different color this time. Let's use this turquoise. And I'm going to put those 4 colors. I've got that one still selected. I'm going to hold down the control button and I'm going to click black like 3 times. I'm going to take this one, I'm going to hold down the control button and just do 1 time. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to use the interactive fill tool and I'm going to swipe across and I'm going to put black. I didn't hit it. Well, let me go with black. And that's about right. Now I'm going to take away the triangle. I'm going to go ahead and take everything and I'm going to left click, no outline. I'm going to Control G to group it. I'm going to Control D to duplicate it. I'm going to Alternate C to have it rotate from the center. Now I'm going to rotate it 120 degrees and then Control D again. If that doesn't work, sometimes you have to type in 240. Let's take a black box and look at it, see what it looks like. And this would be I'm not going to do it, but this would be a very good one to clone because you could see it in real time. And you could put, you could put the outlines back by right clicking a black line around it or whatever you think looks the best. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday and thank you for watching.